Hello, my name is Vince and I'm going to demonstrate how to set your project or stream preferences from within Desktop Client or the Windows Explorer interface. In the Desktop Client, you select your stream, go to the Stream menu and select Preferences. Here you can change the work area that's associated with the stream. You can set default request or design part that the items will be related to for any of your operations. If this was a project, you'd be able to set a default branch, assuming one or more have been defined. And if there were any library cache areas defined, you'd be able to select one here also. This can also be made your default configuration for any of the projects or streams. From the Windows Explorer interface, you go to the top level of your work area, right-click, select the dimensions and folder settings menu. Here you have a similar set of options, but you can also enter a comment for any item check-in operations, so that will be used for all comments. Again, you have the option for default request and parts and library cache area. And you can also include information for local file exclusions, repository file exclusions, how the file permissions are going to look like after you've updated from the repository, how the files will look after you've delivered them into the repository, and whether you're going to enable logging, and if you do, which log folder to use. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching.